Hello, I'm Alyaa and I'm about to tell you problems with plastic. Commit to a change. About me, I'm a Brownie girl guide and I'm about to tell you about single-use plastic and why we should stop using it. In this episode, I'm about to tell you about what is plastic, micro minis, which I will explain later, and how plastic affects the ocean and what can we do. First off, what is single-use plastic made of? Every day we use single-use plastic. The examples of single-use plastic that we use every day is plastic water bottles, plastic bags, and plastic straws. But what is it actually made of? Well, single-use plastics are made from fossil fuels-based chemicals, which is a petrochemical. They are meant to be disposed right after use, but mostly in just a few minutes. But how long does it take to decompose? From a plastic bag that takes 10 to 20 years to a plastic bottle that takes 450 years. So just imagine, after you've gone, when you die already, your plastic bottle will still remain at the same place and still unharmed until 450 years later it decomposes. Next, what are microplastics? Microplastics are plastic particles between the sizes 0.33 millimeters to 5 millimeters in size. Microplastics are harmful to our ocean and marine life. But did you know microplastics can be harmful to us too? Microplastics can be ingested by marine species that can end up in our plate in the fish. So we eat the fish which the fish has eaten the microplastics. It can be very harmful to us too. Now, what are microbeads? Microbeads are a type of microplastics. Because microplastics are small, microbeads are also very small. And it's very difficult to see. Microplastics are also mistaken for plastic pellets. Microbeads can be used in care products and facial scrubs, and etc. How plastic harms the ocean? From microplastic to microbeads to single-use plastic, it can harm by accidentally being ingested, and it can damage aquatic creatures, and it can leach marine toxic chemicals into the water. Is this the ocean we want? I don't think so. If we continue doing this plastic pollution, we might never see creatures again and can only see plastic. I don't think it's what we want at all. But this is the ocean we do want, right? The ocean we want is very clean and beautiful and has many sea creatures. Can we make this happen? Yes, we can. But now, how does plastic affect the ocean life? Marine plastic pollution has impacted at least 267 species worldwide, from marine mammal species to even seabird species. Seabird species have eaten pieces of plastic, a lot of it. Did you know 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean each year? That's like 1 truckload every minute. And also, microplastics can lodge in crab guts and gills. If we don't stop, the disease increases from 4% to 89% when corals are in contact with plastic. Now, what can we do? We can use fewer plastic products. When we go to the beach, we can help clean the beach. We can eat sustainably. That we can eat cleaner and healthier. We can also start saving water so we don't use so much water when we bathe. We can also use eco-friendly products. So when we go to the shop and when we buy things, we should see where it comes from and where does it keep on going. So we can do recycling and other things as well. Now, this is the end. Thanks for watching. Please comment down your changes and tell me, and comment also how you will help stop plastic pollution. I would love to hear.